Oh no! No!
What happened, James? Not again.
No. Hey guys, welcome back to Beef and Barrel. I'm James.
And I'm Glen.
And we're going to make the ultimate Juicy Lucy Mexicano burger.
Arriba!
Right, so let's go through all the ingredients for the Juicy Lucy Mexicana. So we have a beautiful sesame seeded brioche bun. We have some nachos, which is going to be as like a burger topper. We've got some cheddar mixed with chili, Mexican cheese here. That's going to go inside the burger, and this one is going to go on top of the nachos. Salsa, mild salsa for the nachos. We've got some lettuce that's going to go on the burger to have like a bit of protection for the bun. Salt and pepper, which is going to get put in with the mincemeat, which we've got here. We've got 2 packs. We've got one is a little bit finer. This one is 15%. It's a bit leaner, steak mince. This one here is 20% fat. We're going to mix the two together to make our patties. We're going to put 2 patties together, one on top of the other, and close it up. And then we'll show you how we do that in a minute. This here is mango chili. Gives you kind of like a sweet and sour kick.
Bit of sweet and heat.
Yeah, it's really, really nice. That's going to be our main sauce to give it the, I guess the Mexican-y flavour to it. So, ready to go. Okay, so here comes the 2 packs of mince. We've mixed them together, 50-50 for this one. We're going to go for a bit different. We're going to make 2 quite large patties. So once it's all evenly mixed in, I might add a bit of the pinch of salt and pepper, because it's going to go inside the burger. The cheese is going in the middle of the burger. One side of it's probably not going to get seasoned, so we're going to mix it in with the meat for this.
That helps with the cooking process. It's cooked different to a smash burger.
Yes. Whereas a smash burger, it's like direct heat straight away, isn't it? So
yeah.
We're going to go
fast and hot.
A bit of a thicker one. So let's roll this together a little bit. Right, there's 2 similar size patties. Let's have a look. Let's get them out. See how we look with these 2. Let's get the bowl out of the way. 2 similar sized. Now for this, I kind of do want it to condense down a little bit, because otherwise it will end up breaking apart and that'll be a complete
Yeah, you get
disaster.
holes and all the cheese will ooze out and it won't be a Juicy Lucy.
We don't want the cheese to come out. We do not want the Juicy Lucy to be no longer a Juicy Lucy.
It'll just be a Lucy.
Yeah, it'll just be a Lucy. You won't be juicy. So I'm wondering if to put a bit more.
Just for the outside.
Yeah.
Just to roll in.
There we go. Nice little roll it. Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. Right, there we go. So now that's moulded. We're going to squish it down.
Now it's time to make the patties.
Now it's time. So, nice squished patty here. It's going to be quite big because it's going to shrink on the cooker.
You look like you're enjoying that.
Yeah,
way too much.
It's quite therapeutic actually. There we go. Now we're going to place our cheese here. Nice.
Let's stack that up.
Nice little block of cheese here in the middle. So now we've done that, we're going to move this burger over slightly. And we're going to flatten this one here. Do the same thing again.
I cannot wait to have this.
I know.
Look at that.
It's going to be nice burger, this one.
Naughty.
Very naughty. Now this is where the difficult part comes, because I have a tendency of breaking patties apart. There we go, look at this absolute beast.
That's a monster.
Close all the gaps up. Now this is going to be a success or a complete disaster. I'm going to have a look to see if there's any gaps anywhere, because we do not want gaps. We do not want gaps, ladies and gentlemen.
Guys, for yous watching, this is our first attempt of actually doing this. We had the idea and we're saying we're doing it.
Let's just go. Let's just go and roll with it.
So we'll make the mistakes for you.
Okay, so I think, looking carefully at it, it's a bit of a beast.
Size of that.
It will shrink though. It will be a big burger, this. Just think, compare it to the bun size. It's quite big, but that will go down and it will be quite fat. So we need to make sure it's cooked through so it's not completely rare when we eat this. Okay, let's get cooking.
Let's get to cooking. Oh, look at that burger now.
Toast the buns.
Get a little toast on the bun. Don't want a soggy bun for this.
We do definitely do not want a soggy bun for this. Look at that flame kissed.
How are we looking, James?
Our burger is ready. Let's get these lovely crispy buns off of the grill. The burger can
grill
stay
mark
there.
on that.
I know the burger can stay there for a minute, to be honest. Right, so let's get a bit of this sauce on the bottom, like so. Oh no, I've got it on the board. No. Right, we're going to add the lettuce.
Spillage is lickage.
Spillage is lickage.
What?
Littage. Can't talk. What did I say?
Littage.
Littage. Spillage is littage.
It's definitely lickage.
Put a little drizzle more of the sauce. There we go.
It's like a dressed salad.
Jalapenos.
Fill them up
Do
with
a
them.
layer of the jalapenos. So you should get one for every bite. We don't want to be stingy, do we?
No.
Right, let's put that away. Then we have got our juicy, loosey, wonderful Mexicano burger. It's going to go on there.
Oh, it fits that bun perfectly.
Followed by our nachos. Oh no! No!
What happened, James? Not again.
No! What a disaster!
Oh my lordy lord. What happened? Big explosion, was it?
Right, do that again.
James, you managed to save some.
Right, let's do the ones that we saved. Oh no, there we go. There's our nachos. What a disaster.
You should have just used your hands.
I know.
Bit more of that gorgeous sauce.
Bit more of the sauce on top. And then we have,
It does look yummy, doesn't it, boy?
then we have our burger topper.
That is a thick burger.
Let's go and cut it. Right, the moment of truth. Let's cut this bad boy open.
The moment of truth. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that cheese.
Woo! Boy.
Right, are you ready for this?
Oh, I don't know.
Right, it is a beast. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, it's so dripping. So it is really, really dripping. No, I'm not. That is phenomenal. Is it as good as you thought it'd be? Oh, I don't know. The sauce is strange, isn't it? It's like a tangy sauce.
I sort of expected it to be sweeter with that sauce, but it levels out with the chili. That's really good. It is.
The nachos is quite a good little addition, isn't it?
Yeah, you get a bit crunchy.
You get like a little bit of a different in texture. But
It's
where they cooked,
eating nachos, but burger form. Reinvented the nacho. That's so good.
But I think I can't talk that.
Cheese, get in the mouth.
I think where the nachos were cooking already and the salsa softened the nachos, I think it really it makes it easy to eat. So you've got a little bit of crunch, but not a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the burger's perfect. It's still so juicy.
I'm glad we took that burger off when we did.
Yeah. Any more, or a couple of minutes more, it'll be ruined.
I think jalapenos at the bottom give it just enough kick.
Yeah, it's not fire. It's not fire in your mouth. It's like a little tickle. It's like, there's something in there.
Yeah. Just like as if it's almost like as if the mince is infused with a bit of chili in.
Yeah.
You know, but mate,
overall that's a fantastic burger.
Try it, make it, and let us know how you get on.
See you later.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, click that notification bell for more videos like this. Only one thing left to say, Yaki da.